Massive Thomas fire is heading into its 11th day, still burning out of control in Ventura and Santa Barbara counties. As of tonight, 238,000 acres have burned. Crews have the fire about 30% contained now, but there are still more than 18,000 homes and other buildings still in the danger zone.
Now to a map of the evacuation zones at this hour. Red marks the mandatory evacuation area. Yellow is the voluntary evacuation zone, and the orange line outlines the entire fire. In the frenzied chaos, many evacuees have barely had enough time to grab just a few belongings and barely save their pets.
Well, once they did make it out, the furry family members needed a sanctuary, and thanks to the Humane Society, they found one. KCAL 9's Tom Wade is live at the Ventura County Fairgrounds with more on this story. Tom.
Yeah, Allison, Jeff, so many powerful stories of people trying to evacuate with their pets. We're here at the Ventura County Command Center, and there are firefighters from across the state and out of state here right now still fighting this fire. As we said, there are harrowing stories of survival for people and pets. These are the faces of the rescued.
Hey, it's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Animals who have their own dramatic stories of survival as the devastating Thomas fire tore through city after city. At the Humane Society of Ventura County in Ojai, the full staff worked here 24/7 for the past week to either go out in the field and rescue animals in danger or allow pet owners to drop off their horses, dogs, and cats at this safe space.
We said no to nobody. We never turned anybody away, and I think that's pretty impressive.
As the fires raged and evacuation orders were given, animals by the dozen were being rushed here, also pouring in donations.
We've had a tremendous outpouring of support from the community in many different forms, volunteering, people want to come up and just give us hours, but also supplies.
In many cases, owners of horses and other livestock had very little time to escape. We shot this video last week near Casita Springs as a horse trailer left just as a wall of wind, flame, and ash was moving in. Some of the stories of rescue are heartbreaking.
I know.
This horse was found emaciated, likely abandoned before the fires, but was picked up and saved.
It's okay. It's okay. I know.
Now under the care of the Humane Society. The staff here says each pet has a story and a family, and they know the importance of their job.
To be able to reassure the families coming in, and you can see it in their eyes and they can see it in our eyes. All of our employees working either the front desk or the kennel staff, we're all animal lovers.
Just at that location alone in Ojai, the officials there told us they rescued as many as 300 animals, and they did it all free of charge. Reporting live in Ventura, I'm Tom Wade. Back to you in the studio.